This is my rock and sand pile for when I do concrete projects. The project I planned on doing was a large water cistern. Well, they ended up sending me the wrong size rebar, the wrong size plywood, and they sent me Quickcrete instead of regular concrete. So in this video, I'm going to make use of the Quickcrete and make a ramp up to my storage room door. That way it's easier to get the lawnmower in and out. You definitely don't need to go to the gym when you're mixing concrete by hand. This is the second day of the project. You can kind of see up top there where I first started. The path was very uneven and it was very small up to the storage room. Now it's back to mixing some more concrete. I was mixing 3 bags at a time here. That's about all I could manage. I smoothed out the concrete the best I could, but this is an island style project, so I'm not going for perfection here. I tested it out taking the lawnmower in and out, and man, it was a game changer. After a full day of concrete work, I took the path to the beach to relax and soak in the water. If you're interested in more beach access videos, stay tuned and we'll have more to come.